the fuck are you? Oh my god. Dude, why do birds always try to kill us, bro? Dude, they're getting into my nostrils.
What is?
The dragonflies. Oh god, no. Oh god, no. Oh jeez, oh my god. Oh, it's right there. What do we do? What do we do? What do we do? What do we do? Oh, go, 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 go.
We ran into a pack of bees.
Oh,
There's two on top of your head. Don't you dare walk around me. God dang it.
what? I don't want them around me.
Yeah, don't pass them off to me. You just.
Dude, one was on my arm, like going.
Oh, God. Oh, Jesus. What? Yeah. No, they aren't. No. That's horrifying.
Wait.
What?
They are right.
What?
It's around your hand.
God.
It's around your hand.
Jesus, you dumb.
I'll go next to you, bro.
Get away from me.
Look. Wait, no, it's a bird. It's a bird. It's a bird. It's a little bird. It's a little bird. Oh, okay. It's a scary bird. It's a scary bird. Fuck this bird, dude. What is this bird doing, man? I saw you walk into that.
Fuck it up. God. Holy fucking shit. Did you see how big that was? There was a fat ass spider this big on my god dang thing. It was so big.
A bug or something flew into your ear.
If that was a bug, that was like Abraham Lincoln, old, like super tall, deep-throated bug. Literally, dude.
Deep-throated bug,
it
really?
It sounded like, you know?
Like a deep throat, right?
Yeah, like a deep.
Was that filming? This bird's trying to fuck us.
Let's get out of here.
Look.
Yeah, what?
Look.
What?
To the left.
Holy shit! What?
Dude.
Touch it.
No.
That is so big.
Oh, it's time. Where'd it go? Okay. We're friends, right? Yeah? Okay. No, we're not friends.
Oh, we got it!
You got it. Oh!
Oh my god!
Oh.
What's on my head? You can dodge it.
Just stay still.
Oh my god! Oh, there's a hawk on me. Is he not gonna attack me anymore? Oh, what the? Check out everyone's channels. Please make sure to check out everyone's channel.
Seen these spiders? Spiders? Are they real? Oh my god, they're real. Look how big that thing is. Holy shit. Oh god, that's a bee. I'm out. Oh god! They're everywhere! Oh Jesus Christ, there's so many! Go. What's your oh god! Jeez. What?
There's a bunch of freaking dragonflies.
Okay, dragonfly. Oh, dude. There is. Oh fuck! There's a bird.
No.
Yo, it's gonna fly out at us like the warehouse. Okay, it's hurting me. Wait, oh Jesus, dude. It's freaking out.
Oh!
What's that?
Whatever that was. Holy crap.
Was that
Yo,
an owl?
that was like some huge bird.
You guys see that? Oh my god. Oh, they're coming for the microphone. One flew by here. Oh Jesus, they're chasing. A bee just flew inside my ear canal.
Oh god.
And didn't sting me.
Why would you do that? Why would you do that? Are you whistling?
Oh!
Why did it almost land on Sam?
No, that like tried to land on us. What was that? It was an army of pigeons.
That was so scary.